Hi there, this is Ron from Neon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to audit Instagram accounts and sort them into collections with our Social Audit tool. Our Social Audit tool is great to analyze accounts of influencers and competitors. But if you're new to this influencer world, we'll link 2 blog posts of our own in the description. Once you open the tool, you see a search bar and your collections, if you have any. To analyze an Instagram profile, you just have to enter the username of an account and click on the magnifying glass. After submission, the tool will load the data for a few seconds, and after that it will just compile it for you. Up top you see some general account information like the name, the handle, the number of posts, number of followers, as well as the Save to Collection button, but more on this later. Then you have the account engagement. Here you can see the follower ratio, which is the relationship between followers and accounts followed. The higher this number, the better. Then you have the average engagement rates. This right here might be the most important metric of them all. It basically shows you the average portion of followers that engage with each post, and it's a pretty good indicator to see if the content resonates with the audience. After that, you have the average engaged users. This is pretty straightforward, so it's the average number of users that engage with a post. Below that, you have the follower activity. So here, the links per post, the comments per post, as well as the statistical evaluation of the profile based on these averages. On the right, you have the approximate price per post. This is basically what you might have to pay for a promotional post here. Then you have the post activity. Here you have the last post, the posts per day, the posts per week, and the average days between posts. Next, you have the used hashtags. Here you have all the hashtags used in captions of the feed posts, so you can just scroll in the box to see them all. By clicking on the magnifying glass, you will analyze the hashtag in our own hashtag analyzer, and if you click on the external link button, you will open the hashtag in Instagram itself. You can also copy all the hashtags to your clipboard. Up next, you have the latest posts. So here you can sort the posts by date, by most likes, by most comments at the top, and for each post you can see various things. So you see the post itself, you can download the image or the video, you can click on the card to open the post in Instagram, and you can check the activity evaluation. So here you can see that the activity is valued as okay, pretty much. And now let's create a collection, shall we? So just click on the plus button in the sidebar. You'll see a new collection appear. You click on it, and to edit the title, you can just do it by clicking on it on the top of the page. You can sort all your collections by date, by followers or engagement rates, and you can add a small note to stay organized. To delete accounts from a collection, just have to hover over a card and you'll see a delete icon appear. In order to add an account to a collection, you just have to click on the Add to Collection button up top. Last but not least, you have 3 icons on the right top corner. This one allows you to copy a shareable link of the collection to your clipboard, this one allows you to duplicate a collection, and this last one allows you to delete the collection. Thank you so much for watching, we hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below.